this demo, we will learn how to perform the list operations. Let us rename the Jupyter notebook as List Operations. To perform the operations, let us declare two lists. Say A equals 2, 4, and 5, and B equals 6, 8, and 9. Let us perform the concatenation operation by using this print command. Print A plus B. The repetition operation can be performed by using this command. Let us perform the membership operation using the membership in command. Membership in keyword. The membership in can be performed using this command. Now let us see how to perform the iteration operation. For x in A, print x. Click on the Run button to see the output. Please make sure the syntax are correct or it prompts an error as shown. You can now see the outputs. The concatenation output is the combination of both the lists, that is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. The output of iteration operation is 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Membership in gives the output as true as 5 is present in 2, 4, and 5. The iteration operation prints each value of x in A, that is 2, 4, and 5. Thank you.